In this video, we are going to find the value of 6 plus 4 minus 20 divided by 2 times 5. Alright, this 6 plus 4 is going to be 10. So the expression can be written in the form of 10 minus 20 divided by 2 and at the end times 5. Next step, this 10 minus 20 is going to be negative 10. Negative 10 divided by 2 times 5. Next, this negative 10 divided by 2 is going to be negative 5. And at the end, negative 5 times 5 is going to be negative 25, right? If your answer is negative 25, you are wrong. Why? Because to solve this type of questions, we need to follow a set of rules that is called the order of operations. The order of operations can be remembered by PEMDAS. Each letter stands for different operation. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M multiplication, D division, A addition, and lastly S subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division share same level, also addition and subtraction. Now you are going to follow these PEMDAS to solve this question. First parentheses, so I do operation inside the parentheses. 6 plus 4 is 10. The expression is going to be 10 minus 20 divided by 2 times 5. Next, subtraction here, division here, multiplication here. So first we need to do multiplication and division. But remember, multiplication and division share same level. So should we start with division or multiplication? In this case, when we have both multiplication and division in one equation, you need to start your work from left and go to the right. So first left one here, division. Negative 20 divided by 2 is going to be negative 10, right? So it is going to be 10 minus 10 times 5. And at the end, we have subtraction and multiplication. Absolutely first, multiplication. Negative 10 times 5 is going to be negative 50. So it is going to be 10 minus negative 50. As you know, 10 minus negative 50 is negative 40. And this is your answer.